How to scan a QR code screenshot or picture on iPhone. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go through the steps on how you can scan a QR code, picture or screenshot on an iPhone. The process is simple and easy. Now, if you have a QR code of certain Wi-Fi network or someone's profile, for example, I'll just head into Instagram and get a QR code of my own profile here. So I'll just screenshot this real quick here. So if you have the QR code image, then you want to open up Photos app and you want to head into the particular image there. Then here, once you open up the image on your Photos app, you'll get this little QR code scan icon here at the bottom, right? So if you switch to another image, you can see there is no any such icon. But if I head into that image here and if I tap on it here, you can see the option to scan should pop up real quick. So tap on this icon here. So this is the live text icon. Then you can tap and hold on the QR code and you can see it should give you the option to open in Safari and open in Instagram. Since this is an Instagram link, it is asking me to directly open in Instagram. I can tap on it and then here you can see it's here. Ta-da. So it's simple and easy. Hope this video was helpful. If you're unable to do it using this particular photos option, then what you can do is you can simply install the QR code scanner application that you'll get on App Store. So QR scanner, you can search for it. QR scanner for iPhone, then you can get QR code reader or applications that you want and use it. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.